Hello. In this explain video of Module 6, I will explain the process of creating a new class named Player. This class is to help club HR to manage the basketball players in the club. It contains the basic information of the players like name, age, his rank, and if he will or not be kept in club next year. This is a public class. Don't forget to capitalize the first letter of the class name. Let me start with field. This class has 4 instance variables: name, age, rank, and if he stay or not. Name is string type, age and rank are integer type, and if he stay or not is Boolean type, true or false. I make all of these 4 variables as private, so they will not be able to be changed outside of this class. It will be safe. I wrote 4 constructors for this class. The first one is non-arg constructor. It doesn't have parameters, and all the 4 variables are assigned as default value. The second one is to-arg constructor. It has 2 parameters, name and age. It means that you can assign the new name and new age to the name and age, but the rank and if he stay or not are assigned with default value. A third one is for-arg constructor. It has 4 parameters, name, age, and rank, and if you stay or not, it means that you can assign new value to all of the 4 variables. Next step is to create getters and setters. Usually getters doesn't have parameters, but they have return type. For example, for when we get name, it return name. Name is string type, so the method has return type string. Setters are different from getters. They usually always have parameters, so we can assign the new value to the variable, and they usually the return type is void. But for setter, set age, it has return type, because we always like the age to be positive. So when the new age is greater than 0, then we assign the new age to age and return true. If the new age is negative, we will not assign the negative age to age, and then we'll return false. So the return type is green. It's the same to the rank. I wrote a toString method. So then it will return the name, age, rank, and if he will stay or not. So when we do print the project, then it will print all this basic information. At the end of this class, I create a main method to test the constructors, getters, setters, and other method. And here's the result of it print all the message I want. So the constructors, setters, and getters, all of them worked. Thank you for watching.